work at Navrongo Nursing Training College. This is their school park. Take one of their dormitories. The one that sees far away. Let's have a walk. This is their school park. I think this is a basketball pitch. Let's have a walk. If you are not following this channel, kindly follow us, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notification for you to get alerts when you upload a video. That's all. This is their assembly hall. I see auditorium. That's their school auditorium. Boss, how are you? Let me have your number. So let me give my number to you, then you call me. I'll call me later. 0549. Okay. 0549 988 2117. So don't call me right now. Call me later. Oh, okay. So this is the auditorium. This is the auditorium. I think they are having a meeting or maybe church service there. So this is the auditorium. Oh my God, I salute you. Ava. Make you come take my number and you call me later. You do some 0549 88 2117. So make you tell me later or you text me on WhatsApp. Your name? Sulu. Dave, okay. Please let's continue our work. I met the students. Yeah. So yeah, this is how the school looks like. Good afternoon. So let's have a walk. Let's have a walk. Let's have a walk. Let's have a walk. Yeah, let's have a walk. These are some of their lecture halls. Yeah. So I think it's a nice place. Yeah, this is Navrongo Nursing Training College. Nursing Training College. So you can see some of the students around. Navrongo Nursing Training College. Yeah. Navrongo Nursing Training College.
On Monday.
So this is how it's like. Let's continue. Let's have a walk. Let's have a walk. I think this is their ICT lab. ICT lab. Yeah. So one of their school bus. Yeah, kindly subscribe to the channel. Kindly subscribe to the channel. Kindly subscribe to the channel. Yeah. Kindly subscribe to the channel. This is Navrongo Nursing Training College. Yeah. Let's go inside more. See how their environment looks like. Yeah. So I think this is also part of their lecture hall. Yeah, so as you can see, this is a lecture or like lecture rooms. Yeah, I don't know the blog name, but I can ask. Hello, good afternoon. What's the name of this blog? The name of this blog? It's a dormitory. Oh, okay. Girls or boys dormitory? Oh, okay. Yeah. So it's a dormitory. Girls are down, boys are also at the top. Yeah. So let's continue. So this is a dining hall. This is a dining hall. Let's enter. Let's enter. Yeah. So that was a dining hall. Yeah. Yeah. I think this is the place that they cook. So this is their mosque. It was actually this part of the school. The other that's it quickly. Oh, okay, so that's the whole school. Oh, okay, the dormitory and the lecture halls are in. Oh, okay. Oh, okay, so okay. Oh, then the school is like a mini one, oh, that's fine. Thank you very much. That's the field. So, St. Charles, right? St. John, so that's the school. That's the school. Or should I join you guys? Can I join?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Thank you. Yeah, so that's the whole school. Yeah. So let's enter
He's working with one of us.
the auditorium. He said, oh, hey, salute. How are you? Yeah. I'm not going. Separate on by you. Those may phone up one person coming down. try any more